Meaning of dirigisme.
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 Dirigisme. Dirigisme is an economic system where the government exerts control over the economy to achieve certain goals, such as economic growth or social welfare. This can include direct regulation of industries, state ownership of key enterprises, and centralized planning of economic activity. The aim is to promote national development and protect domestic industries from foreign competition. However, critics argue that dirigisme can stifle innovation, create inefficiencies, and breed corruption, ultimately leading to economic stagnation.